Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete public profile Snapchat. So this is a very easy tutorial, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat application. Launch your Snapchat application right here, and then you have to click this person icon at the top left corner. Now click this gear icon at the top right corner. Now you have to scroll down here till you see this public profile settings. Tap your name. Once you tap this, then you will see this profile settings. You just have to simply scroll down and you will see this clear public profile. And all you have to do to delete this is tap this clear. They will ask you and they will notify you that everything will be removed here. So you just have to read this one. And once you're sure that you want to delete your public profile, then all you have to do is to click clear right here. So basically, that's it. Now you can go back and you can create another public profile if you want. But basically, that's it. You just have to go to your profile settings, and then clear your public profile right here. And you have to make sure also that you're using the latest version to avoid unnecessary malfunctions and to make your Snapchat work properly too. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.